Welcome back to CAD Station. I'm again here with an assembly tutorial of Solidworks 2022, and in this tutorial we are going to see one more type of mate that we can do in assembly drawing. For this I'm going to new and assembly. Before starting the tutorial, if you are new to CAD Station, then subscribe the channel and hit the like button. So let's start by, I'm first going to here and turn these two regions on, and here I'm going to use millimeters, come to assembly, and we have to insert component. I have two components here that is pre-designed in my system. I want to match this origin of this rail guide to the origin of my assembly drawing. For this, I'm simply put my cursor on the origin and click here. Now, I'm going to insert component and I want this one. And now we can turn these origins off so we can work easily. Now, I want this bracket will move on the rail smoothly, or if I want to put this bracket equally in the middle, then what I have to do, first of all, I'm going to mate. The first two mate I'm going to perform here is simple. I'm going to select this face and this one. This is going to be coincident and okay. Next is it's free, so I'm going to select this one and this one, and now Control 7. Now you can see if I just move my cursor at any direction, this bracket is only moving on the rail, right? Now, I don't want this bracket to move freely. I want it to fix at the mid of this rail. So for this, I have the option as from advanced. Now you can find here width mate. Now you have two selection criteria. First is width and second is tab. So you can alternate it by, if I first select this one, now I have to select the other face of same object. Now it comes to second one, I have to select these two faces and it comes to the center and OK. Now from this side you can see this is at the center, this bracket is now not moving. Now the second option is I'm going to mate and delete this mate. Okay. Control 7. Now you can see it's again moving. Now, okay, not the insert component. I'm again going to mate. In the first advanced width, before I've selected this face and the back face. Now I'm going to select first this one and this one. Now in the second selection, I'm going to select this one and this one. Now you can see it's come to the center and okay. Done. Now you can see it's not moving and it's fixed in the center. So the main point to again do this mate is to show you it's not hard and fast rule. You have to select first the moving component or the fixed component. You can select any of the component, but if you select the face of one component, then you have to select the opposite face of same component. Then you can go to another component as well. So this is the short tutorial in which we learned how we can use width mate from the advanced mate tab. Hope you find this tutorial helpful for your assembly drawing. If you like this tutorial, then subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thank you.